If your develops a green line on the display, don't be surprised if Samsung refuses to cover it. The notorious green line issue has resurfaced once again, this time affecting the A user on X, recently shared images showing a thin vertical green line running across their device's screen. While Samsung has in some cases offered free screen replacements for this defect, the response isn't always the same. Sometimes users are left disappointed. Just like earlier reports, the device in question showed no signs of physical or water damage. Instead, it's believed to be a flaw in the OLED panel itself, which under certain conditions develops these vertical lines over time. Although many users notice the problem after installing a software update, it doesn't exclusively appear in such cases. Green or even pink lines may show up randomly without any recent update. This issue has plagued multiple OLED-equipped smartphones, where a hidden defect eventually triggers a permanent vertical line on the screen. The display typically continues to function, but the distracting line makes using the phone frustrating. Samsung's official stance still claims that the is eligible for free screen replacement when affected by this issue. However, the final decision rests with the authorized service center after inspection. Your best option is to escalate the matter to Samsung support through email or phone. While approval isn't guaranteed, it could help. If not, negotiating directly with the service center might get you a partial discount on the screen replacement.